Welcome to Car Route 360, where every curve, climb, and innovation matters. Subscribe for the boldest rides of tomorrow. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon isn't just an SUV, it's an off-road icon reborn with a sharper edge. From the moment you see it, the bold stance grabs you. The tires? Massive, high-profile sidewalls with deep, aggressive treads. They're not just functional, they look ready to chew through mountains. Whether it's rocky slopes or deep mud trails, these wheels are built to crush any obstacle and look good doing it. Jeep's signature off-road DNA is stronger than ever. Under the hood, you get the trusted 3.6L V6 engine, but now enhanced with smarter torque control and a rock-solid low-range 4x4 system. This Rubicon doesn't hesitate, it adapts. The moment it senses a terrain shift, it reacts instantly, adjusting grip, suspension and steering dynamics. That means more confidence, more stability, and more dominance. Visually, it's aggressive and refined. The stealth green finish with matte black accents screams purpose. The new LED lighting system, the muscular fender flares, and the lifted frame all give this Rubicon a presence that's both raw and modern. Inside, it's equally serious, rugged, but comfortable, with weatherproof materials, digital cluster upgrades, and real-time trail mapping integrated into the dash. If you want a vehicle that doesn't care where the road ends, or whether there's a road at all, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon is calling your name. It's not about the destination. It's about owning the journey. And this Jeep owns it completely. If this kind of rugged adventure excites you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Car Route 360 is your off-road companion for all things tough, bold, and next-gen.